We have a special screen
Sure.
that we'd like to discuss with the audience.
Yeah, let's go to the screens. And we collaborated with Barron's, and they were interested in adding a screen that they could use for their own coverage into MarketSmith. And so they created the Barron's Value and Momentum screen. So let's take a look at this one. Fairly straightforward screen. So open the edit.
Yes. So how you find it, you open the left-hand panel in MarketSmith stock screens. It's the last one here, Barron's Value and Momentum. We're going to open the edit to look at the screen components. So walk us through it, Chris.
Like I said, fairly straightforward. RS of greater than 80. The PE percentile rank. It's in the lower quarter of PEs in the market, greater than 10. Market cap more than 10 billion, and then 200,000 in, or I'm sorry, 20 million in dollar volume. So let's take a look at the screen results right now.
Great.
Now, a couple have caught my eye, and they've shown up on other screens as well. And the first one is actually builders, and I've got a downtrend line on this one. And we'll see once when building comes back, can this really power higher? You know, the RS line is actually in pretty good shape compared to its recent highs. And again, one of the reasons why it's making this screen is the PE is 5. So and recent earnings have been pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
And then one other one, there's, you can also see that there's quite a few energy stocks.
Mm-hmm.
So as they've come down over the recent weeks and their earnings are still strong, that they're making it, there's a lot of spots there. And actually Equinor kind of caught my eye because it's still above the 200-day, retaking the 50-day. And overall looking fairly strong. So
Great.
it's just another tool at your disposal. Good to have in a market where valuations are a concern, and good to see, just to check in on it and see what's showing up.
Yeah, another great place to search for potential stock ideas. And we love running lots of different screens. So this is another great resource for the audience out there. So that's great. Thank you so much for walking us through it, Chris. Any other words of advice for how to sort this screen, or once you're looking at the list of stocks, how to maybe rank ones for a potential watch list?
Well, at least right now, there's not that many stocks, so it doesn't really matter how you sort it. You're going to get through it in a few minutes, and just since my, I guess, desire is to see more earnings growth, that's where I'm going to be looking for, because and see how, which ones have good current earnings as well as some decent estimates as well. And then once you get past that, it's still, taking a look at who's buying, which mutual funds are moving into it. Are they getting support? And going from there.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And once again, you can find that by opening the left-hand panel, expanding this MarketSmith stock screens button, and then it's right there, Barron's Value and Momentum.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube. If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.